Welcome to QDC Online. If you click over on the New Permit tab, you will see the information required to start a new permit. Because we already have a permit, I do not need to complete this form, so I'm going to move on to the Store Visit tab, which also asks for the exact same information. So if we pop on over, you will see that it wants a permit number, a Qatari ID QID number, your email address, and mobile phone number. You'll then enter the CAPTCHA and be prompted from there. After you've entered all that information, you will click Log On and you will get a one-time password to the phone number associated with your Qatari ID, and then you can access the site and request your appointment time, whether that is in-store or a click and collect, which I will show you after we've made an in-store appointment. So select your date and time, move on to agreeing to the important information. I've gone ahead and opened that up. You can read these rules. Go ahead and pause the video if you need some more time to read all the important information. And then you can proceed to confirm your appointment. Now we'll move on to the click and collect feature, which is also really cool. You will enter the same information as before, same as you would for a new permit, a permit renewal, or store visit. Enter that permit number, Qatar ID number, email address, mobile number, followed by the CAPTCHA. Log in. Note there's a minimum spend for click and collect. You will enter your one-time password sent to your mobile phone number. And then you can select your time for click and collect and begin your shopping experience. You can also continue to shop in store once you show up for that click and collect appointment.